a singing waterfall in the mountains far away. And that's where I long to be, at the close of every day. That's where my darling is sleeping, deep down beneath the flame. And I often sick and wondered why the Lord took her away. We meet there every evening when the sun was sinking low, as we listen to the water as it ripples soft and low. But since she's gone to heaven, I miss her most of all. Tonight my darling is sleeping by the singing waterfall. Last night I slept dreaming, I heard my darling call. And then I went to meet her by the singing waterfall. She took me in her arms just like she used to do. And then I heard her whisper, "Oh, meet me on the blue." We meet there every evening when the sun was sinking low, as we listen to the waters as it dripped the soft and low. But since she's gone to heaven, I miss her most of all. Tonight my darling is sleeping by the singing waterfall, by the singing waterfall.